Um, hey guys, guess what? We've got the ultimate list of cheats for Saints Row 2, and we're excited to share them with you. Uh, if you're looking for a fun way to enhance your gameplay, you've come to the right place. Do 226. So before we dive in, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. You won't want to miss out. Did you know there are countless ways to change up your experience with Saints Row 2? From insane weather effects to super-powered weapons. You can customize your gaming session endlessly, and cheats can make your experience more fun and get you out of a tough spot. So buckle up, folks, because we're about to explore the wackiest and most amazing cheat codes for Saints Row 2. First off, let's learn how to activate these mystical cheat codes. You'll need to head to your in-game phone and punch in the numbers you'll find below, watches, and then because of the time I've had, once you've entered the code on your dialing pad, it's time to try calling it not locked up, similar to that. Next step, head to the cheats menu on your phone and get ready to select the activation of your newly dialed code. All right, let's jump into our first category, general fun. Here are some hilarious and interesting cheats to start with. Number one gives you full health. And number two lets you smash through others with your car. 3-8. Number three makes your melee attacks overpowered. Number four ups your police notoriety by a star. And if number five makes your player character take pratfalls, I guess six. Number six provides you with infinite sprinting potential lemless. Seven, number seven creates super explosions. 8. Number 8 lets you ally with the Super Saints. 9. Number 9 equips you with an unlimited clip. Kind of a very. Number 11 gives you endless ammo. 11. Number 12 sends all dead people to heaven. With all these cheats, we're sure you'll never be bored playing Saints Row 2, right? So now let's crank it up a notch with some amazing weather and time cheats. Number 666 brings lightning upon you. 1. Number 1200 sets the time to noon. 3, or pretty similar. Number 2400 sets the time to midnight. And number 78665 brings overcast skies. 5. Number 78666 makes it rain cats and dogs. 6. Number 78668 provides lighter rain. 7. Number 78669 clears the clouds. 8-2. 78670 restores normal weather. Now that we've conquered the weather, let's find some powerful weapons to wield. 920 gives you 12 gauge. Fight 2, number 921 unveils the 44. 922 provides the AR 200. Number 923 leads you to the AR 50 steps. Similar. Number 924 reveals the AR 50 grenade launcher, and 6 number 925 introduces you to the AS14 Hammer website. 7 number 926 delivers the baseball bat to you. 8 number 927 hands you a chainsaw. 9 scream level number 928 gives you a fire extinguisher. 10 number 929 bestows you with a flamethrower. 11 930 grants you a flashbang. +6 number 931 reveals the GAL 43. There are many more weapons on this list, but we've given you a taste. Now on to the best part, the cool vehicles. Get ready for some thrilling rides. 1-1. 711 gives you the Horizon. 712 diffs you the Snipes 57. Three number 713 accelerates you into the Tornado. So 4 number 714 propels you with the Wolverine. 5 801 takes you on the kind of the ride. 6 802 speeds you up on the Kenshin. 7 member 803 glides you on the Melbourne, and number 804 catapults you into the Sabretooth. 9 number 805 roars into the Sandstorm. 10's present. The 11 part, number 825 rumbles into the Hurricane Rebels. Distinct of them, number 826 breezes into Miami. 13, basically 827 strikes with the Python. 14 Number 828, Glides with the Shark. 15, number 829. It was skippers you over to the skipper. 16, number 1040, drives you in an ambulance. 17,
41 docks you with the anchor, and
18, number 142 decimates with the Atlas Breaker. Um, um, mm, 20, number 1044, ignites with the blaze. We hope that you find these cheat codes to be as fun and as entertaining as we do. Whether you want to power up, slow down, or drive crazy, these cheats are perfect for you. Now go ahead and infuse some laughter into your Saints Row 2 adventure with your newly acquired cheat codes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.